about Ultimate Slamygloop. And I'm going to compare the DIY slime versus the slime that has already made. And we're going to make cool slime today. And let's get into the video. I'll tell you what's in the box in the back. So everything you need, and it includes jars, white glue bottle, glitter glue bottles, dyes, sodium, tetra borat packs, glow in the dark powder pack. Oh, I'm definitely using that. Glitter packs, sequin packs, neon sand packs, 200 plastic beads, 1 measuring cup, 1 mixing stick, 1 measuring spoon, 50 wiggly eyes, easy to follow instructions. What do you see in the back? Let's open! These are the crystals for the slime to be more crunchy. And these are not real crystals, these are fake. And I'm going to turn to the next one. This is a glitter glue for the slime or whatever you can mix it with. We have a bunch of stuff over there I'm going to tell you about. And this is for some crunch too again, as you can use this one or this one if you want to add more colors to the slime. Let's see what this is. I think this is glue. And I don't think there's no glue inside. I think there is. But I'll just guess it's glue inside. And this is all the containers of... These are all of the containers. If you get one, you can mix it up with the slime. And this is some stick for the slime to mix it up with. And you got some big container to put your slime in, or you can put the slime in here, whatever you want. Just pick one, and you can mix a slime with your own slime. Let's get into the making part. Let's make our own slime. I'm gonna introduce my aunt, and she's my mommy's little sister, and she stayed with us for a few weeks. She's from New York City.
Hey! Hi guys, I'm Daisy. I'm Natalie's little aunt.
Let's get into the slime. Come on, man. Ooh. Okay, so what do we need first into the slime? We need warm water. I'm gonna get this container of the little powder inside. I'm gonna cut it a little bit open. Whoa, this definitely looks like baking soda, right? And sugar. This is sodium. We're gonna put it in the spoon and then let's open it. Cut a little bit open, cause you know, or just leave the spoon right there. Oh, you poured in. Pour it in. You're going to put in because this is gonna burn your skin maybe. It's dangerous. Oh yeah. Okay. Wow. Stir. The whole thing will be pour in how much you want. Half of it. Wow, that's more. looks like it's getting a little for me. Right? You need to get it a good stir, not like bad. It looks like I'm making white eggs with no egg yolk. Right? I'm making the egg cover of the eggs. I love the egg cover. Now let's put this sodium a little. Get a little bit of more sodium. Now it's time to mix it up, right? Oh yeah, definitely getting like sticky, icky, sticky. Now let me pour it a lot because you gotta get it like her. And then now we stir it up. That's definitely slime. Whoa! Look at this, guys! It's turning into slime. Whoa, it's not ready yet. You just need to get all the rest things done. Let's get the whole slime in there. It looks like I'm making white eggs again, and they're turning into a good cover. Everything's gotta be mixed together. Let's put the sodium, and we're gonna do it with our hands. A little. There. Now we're gonna do it with my hands. It feels weird. Let's add the colors into the slime. Oops. Open up.
Which one do you want?
I'm going to want the glow in the dark and the little pink sand and the purple glitter. Hey guys, they look. And I want some a little bit the crunchy crystals too.
Feels like eggs. Eggs cover up like you bake the egg cover and it's not gooey, like stretchy because you put a lot of sodium. So this is how it turned out. We're going to add the colors in here. We'll have a little taste test. No, just kidding. No taste test. A little touch test.
Try to make this thing more softer with shaving cream and lotion, but nothing worked. So I'm gonna play with those slime and see which one is better. See which one is better, hers or mine? I hope, yeah, you're gonna say her because mine's ugly. Whee! Yeah. Oh! Dee is making sure that everything is gonna be clean and right and set. We're gonna do the DIY slime, and Dee is cleaning the mess because we made a big mess. And my slime was Ultimate Slamygloop, and it didn't turn out good as well. It just turned out like a little egg feeling. And it looked like an egg salad, potato egg salad. So I'm gonna just get into this. First, I'm gonna pour in the warm water, right, guys? Okay. First, I'm gonna pour in the glue. Oh my god! You always need glue before you pour slime in. Add a lot of glue if you want to get a lot of slime. Okay, that's it. That is too much. Make sure to check out my other videos. Make sure to like, subscribe to the other videos, and I want to stir it up. Inside, magical liquid from Elmore's and kid-friendly slime. You only can add 1 spoon, because that's what I'm gonna do. There, that's it. Now I'm gonna close the top. Okay, it's dripping right now. Now I'm gonna mix it up together.
Just to use 1/4 because I had to add 1/4 to make it a good slime. And we're gonna test out cool stuff about this slime. I think I want to just leave it like this. It's okay like this. I don't want no colors. Yeah, I just want the clear slime. JK, LOL, I want to make the slime like that. I was just like, I don't know, I want to make it. Then the first second, I want to make it like that. We're gonna make sure to leave it overnight with a cover on top, and then it's gonna be clear. Boom, like easy clear. Whoa, so sticky. This is gonna be. What? I thought it would never get on my hand. I thought it would get on my hands, but now it didn't.
Hope you like one of these slimes, and if you like hers or mine or this one or one of these two that we bought, and just make sure to like and subscribe. And then here you go, Liam. Whoa! You happy? Whoa! Oh, come on, play. You see, it's more fun. Tell me which slime you want or you like. Bye! Hey, don't cause teeth. Oh, you like that slime? How do you take out this slime? How do you take out the yellow slime? It's plastic in it. Mom.